Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today I will be doing a hair tutorial. I'm going to show you how I got this nice sleek top bun. It's quick and easy. You don't even need a lot of things. So keep watching if you would like to see how I got this top bun. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. You already know the deal. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at lavishlooks_by Kiki. Let's be friends and all of that good stuff. So yeah, let's get into this video. Alright, so I have Shine and Jam, Gots to Be Freeze Spray, my comb, my brush, and a ponytail holder. I hope this bun comes out right. I've never done this before. It's my first time. So we're gonna see. And I have some bobby pins. It's not the right bobby pins, but I'm gonna make it work because this was last minute. So yeah, let's do this. So first things first, I'm going to comb me hair. Oh, Jesus.